Meaning of game misconduct.
Game misconduct.
Game misconduct.
Game misconduct.
Game misconduct. A game misconduct is a penalty in ice hockey where a player is sent off and banned from the game for a serious infraction. The player must leave the ice and is not allowed to return. The team must also play shorthanded for a period of time. This penalty is typically given for severe actions such as fighting, intentional injury to an opponent or official, or abusive language towards an official. A game misconduct can have a significant impact on the outcome of the game, as the team is forced to play with fewer players and the offending player may face additional disciplinary action.